So we recently had a long weekend and took the opportunity to head out to the land out in the Tri-Cove City to finish the steel gate fabrication, farm gate using this 1-inch 2mm square tubing. Basically, I had to add on a third boot hinge just to add extra support there, as well as to add support via this wheel to help it swing open better and to distribute some of the weight at the end of the gate, because it's about 2.5 meters long. And so right now it's just clamped, but ultimately I would weld that on during the long weekend, and also, like I said, fix the boot hinge or add the extra boot hinge and then fix the existing one because the weld wasn't very strong. And as you can see, part of this, there's an opening in the square tubing right there next to my hand, and so basically cut that, close it off, so make sure there's no openings. And here I'm just gonna show a quick clip of me getting ready to weld. Don't have actually a close-up of me welding, but you can kind of hear how the generator works when you get some current there, some current draw. And so yeah, just basically practicing my skill at doing tack welding, and then of course making a long bead to fuse two pieces together. It's definitely an art and a science at the same time. Fun to learn and gain experience in welding. You know, it takes many thousands of hours to build any skill or master any skill, so I'm far from mastering it, but definitely have the basics down, I reckon. Alright, so we finally got it weatherproofed and good enough to leave it for a while. Yeah, got the wheel welded on there, and it swings openly perfectly, so welded onto these bolts here. So we'll do the weld a bar on this side as well. We'll make another door frame. But yeah, I would say from welding, whereas a month ago I was at a 0, and now I'd say I've gone up to about 2.53 as far as skill. But yeah, it comes with practice. You know, they say 10,000 hours of practice. I've probably gotten fucking 30 hours of practice so far, so lots to go. But anyway, really get it. Stick welding straightforward to me now, but yeah, as far as doing it good. But yeah, the point is, with any kind of steel, you got corrosion issues, so getting it primed up and painted so it can last. And now I can just leave the bug out site for now and head back to the city and see what awaits there. And yeah, lots of potential on this property here, this small little property. Just need to sort things out. And yeah, temporarily, obviously, this wooden gate here, just a temporary door, this wooden door here, hold. But yeah, took apart the old wooden one here. That's what's left of that until I get more time to weld up another side over here. And yeah, I guess the benchmark too with gates is your hinge situation. I guess in the West you have ready-made farm gate hinges that are really big you can buy. Here they just sell these boot, I guess they're called boot hinges. Anyway, yeah, it's just basically a male and a female part. You literally just weld it, stick weld it onto your framework, and it works like a hinge. And yeah, so yeah, the wheel work. That's fine there, and got room to add some more earth land there. Keep it. So basically, wheel helps it support it from this side, and then we're gonna lock it up here. Not that someone couldn't get into land anyway, but just to keep my vehicle secured, we'll do that. And for that, I'm signing off here, Tri-Cove City.